Hi, I'm Wade from Thoroughbred Diesel. Today we're going to be showing you CNC Fabrication's high pressure oil pump lines. The 7.3 trucks had a terrible OEM oil, high pressure oil line on them. Prone to leakage, especially in the Super Duty trucks. The STC fittings were just not the answer. Again, prone to leakage, really hard to service if you didn't have the correct tools. They just weren't a very good design. Enter aftermarket high pressure oil pump lines, namely CNC Fabrication's kit. This is a really nice kit. The oil lines that come in the kit are braided lines. They are obviously very high pressure. You are not going to have leaks out of these lines. And it even comes with a balance line in the kit to balance between the driver's side and the passenger side head, to keep oil flowing, to keep your oil pressure equilibrium correct between the two and just balance out. So that's hence the name of it, the balance line between the two. So you get both the driver's side and passenger side oil feed lines coming from the high pressure oil pump feeding the heads for the lifeblood engine oil going to your injectors, and then the balance line that keeps the oil pressure and oil flow between the heads balanced out. Now inside the CNC Fabrication kit comes with all new fittings too, get you away from those junky STC fittings. You don't have to worry about those pieces of crap anymore. And these are all, where applicable, swivel fittings as well. They made that really nice. So on the head side of these trucks, when you go to put these fittings in, instead of them, and these are all O-ring fittings, so you can they're swivel, so you can position them where you want them, tighten them down, then you don't lose the position of the fitting. So that's a very nice touch there. I've seen other kits that don't do that, and they just, wherever the fitting tightens up, make it work. Another thing that CNC does in their kit that makes it really nice, on the back of the kit, they're going to tell you where each one of these fittings go. All of them are different. And if you look on the fittings themselves, they actually have numbered the fittings, and then you just correspond them to the numbers on the list on the back here. It tells you exactly where they go. I just feel like that's a really nice feature of the kit. That's a guy that is going out and doing that to make sure that you know where all these fittings go, and just to make it easier for you, so you're in the driveway and you can pull it off on a Saturday night and not have any problems at all. So if you are first off, if you have a high pressure oil leak and you have tracked it down to the oil lines on your 7.3, or you're changing out your high pressure oil pump, or maybe you're sealing up your fuel filter bowl, whatever it is, you've got easy access to your high pressure oil lines at that time, get the junky and expensive OE lines off the truck, replace it with the CNC Fabrication's high pressure oil line kit, and trust me, you'll thank us later. So if you have a question about this product, any 7.3 stuff, or CNC Fabrication's lineup, just give us a call, and we appreciate you watching.